Hi, my name is Annabel. I'm a holistic psychotherapist and life coach at Illuminations, JLT. So today I'd like to speak to you about the power of gratitude and how a daily practice can drastically improve your well-being. So having a practice of gratitude is associated with reduced stress and anxiety, lower levels of depression, it strengthens your immune system, it enables you to get more sleep, it improves your relationships. The benefits are endless, and all you need to do is really try and tap into things that you appreciate and things that you're grateful for. So I'd like to invite you all to try and have a gratitude practice for a week to see how you feel afterwards. And what you want to do is count your blessings in 3 different ways. So you might say one thing you're grateful for in your relationships, one thing you're grateful for in your work, and then one thing that you're grateful for in your personal life. And then see how you feel at the end of that.